Postless AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently. And today we're going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software. If you're curious whether Postless AI can truly live up to the hype, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its features and how it can potentially transform your workflow. First off, Postless AI was designed with simplicity in mind. If you're looking for a tool that automates your content creation while still providing that human touch, Postless AI has you covered. This is especially helpful for busy digital marketers, social media managers, or anyone looking to streamline their content production without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of Postless AI is its ability to generate highly engaging social media posts in seconds. With a few prompts, it creates polished, well-written content tailored to the platform you're posting on. Whether you need captions for Instagram, tweets for Twitter, or even LinkedIn updates, Postless has the templates to make it effortless. The AI doesn't just stop at generating content, it also helps you schedule and post directly from the platform. This means no more juggling between multiple tools. It integrates seamlessly with your social media accounts, so once your posts are ready, you can hit publish without leaving the software. Another crucial feature that sets Postless apart is its analytics. Postless AI offers detailed reports that show how your posts are performing, helping you make data-driven decisions. Whether you're tracking engagement, reach, or conversions, you'll have the insights you need to refine your strategy and improve your results over time. But here's the kicker. Postless AI learns from the posts that perform best. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. It adapts to your brand's voice and audience preferences, so your content keeps improving without you having to put in extra work. If you're worried about getting stuck or not knowing how to make the most of Postless AI, don't stress. The platform offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate through the features, which is a huge win for anyone new to AI tools. Now, here's the part that will probably excite you the most. You can try Postless AI completely for free. Yes, you heard that right. Absolutely no risk to get started. Just follow the link below to sign up, and you'll get instant access to test out all the features for yourself. In conclusion, Postless AI is one of the best AI tools just released for social media content creation. It offers a streamlined, intuitive solution that helps marketers and businesses automate their posts while keeping the quality high. The combination of content generation, scheduling, and performance analytics makes Postless a must-have in any digital marketer's toolkit. If you're looking for the most effective AI software tools, I've got my recommended list in the description. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and Postless AI stands out for its simplicity and power. Check it out now and take advantage of the free trial to see how it can enhance your digital marketing efforts.